Jeez Louise, why can't I open this? I feel like I'm like about to do some doctor stuff. Guys, it's your girl Marimba back with another video. If you're new here, what's up? What's good? You made it on my channel. Today's video is going to be an installation, install, cut, slash, color, slash, everything. All that stuff. The name of the company is DYHair777. Interesting name, yes, I know. I always wonder how they come up with these names, but yeah, that's the company. They sent me this unit. And I'm just going to do an unboxing and style and add some liquid hair chalk to this unit. I'm going to keep this intro really short and sweet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and that's pretty much it. We're just going to get started because I don't like super long intros and I don't want you guys to like listen to super long intros. Yeah. Does my lips look ashy? Oh my god. My lips look ashy in this. I'm going to be so mad if I filmed this whole video with my lips ashy. Oh gosh. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video. So let's get started. Ooh, y'all about to finesse this wig. Alright, so we're gonna glue this one down. Speed up the cooling, or the cooling time, the drying time. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on a cool setting. You don't want to dry it on warm because it's gonna like melt it. So cool setting should take about 5 minutes to do that. So we're gonna do that. Start plucking behind the baby hairs. You guys, this curly hair is so soft. His hair is soft. Okay, so I'm going to just run my hands through the curls. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. This is everything. As far as parting space, you get about 3 inches all the way here, and then you get, yeah, then your tracks start to show. So that's one thing. Your tracks are gonna start to show. So you can kind of see the tracks. I don't like that. I would go and bleach these knots because I personally, I really do not like seeing knots at all. So if you're like me, you need to go in and bleach the knots on this frontal. Oh, I'm liking it. Okay. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to do something cool. I want to see what this hair looks like with some color. So I'm going to add this liquid hair chalk that I've had sitting in my house for the last 8 months. I don't know. A long time. And I came across it and I was like, let me do something with this. So I'm going to put this on this hair. The reason why I think I picked this up a while ago is back when Arnell did a video with this liquid hair chalk. I picked up a purple one and I picked up this color, and I actually wore the purple one with some hair that I had a while ago. So I'm gonna put on gloves because I'm pretty sure they tell you to put on gloves from what I could remember, and then they tell you to blow dry it. So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna add this liquid hair chalk from L'Oreal. This is the color Bronze Baby. So it's a temporary intense hair makeup. That's what it is. It says shake before use. So just gonna shake it up. Shake. I don't know my porosity. Well, I don't know the porosity of this hair either, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm gonna open it. The purple, I've done the purple before, so put it on here. Ooh, it's seeping in. So this is what the color looks like. And we are going to, hold on, let me put this other glove on. Because what I remember, this stains. My gloves, got my gloves on. Bam. Okay, so we're gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour it on 2 cotton balls at a time. And then we're gonna go like, this. This isn't working. Put it on my fingertips. Here's what it looks like. And we're gonna go like this. Oh, so you get like this highlight effects. Can you guys see that? So it's very like a bronzy gold. Like this would be nice like on the beach. Like say you're on the beach and you're like, oh, today I just want to have gold hair and lay in the sun. Like this would be nice. And you just put it on. That looks cute like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these gloves off now. So I took the gloves off, I'm running my hands through the hair and no color is coming off. I'm gonna cut my hair just a little bit. Something a little shorter. I love my short curly hair. Yes, 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 yes. Again, with curly hair, you kind of want to make sure you cut it like rounded to your face. You don't want to just go straight across. It don't look cute. Like, nah. It's not cute like that. Ooh, girl, I'm feeling like ready for summertime. I'm ready to go. Like, where we going? What we doing? Who we hanging out with? I'm gonna shape it around my head a little bit. This is cute. Okay. Okay, DYHair77777. You guys did that thing. I'm feeling this. Oh, hey. Is this a thing? Is this a look? Is this a look or no? Because I feel like it's kind of a look. Okay. So now that we got the styling and the hair color and all that stuff out of the way, I want to give you guys the specs of the wig so that you guys can go home and do what you want. Or not go home, what? You guys can take from this video what you want. And my personal opinions, as always, I'm always super honest. I'm going to give it to you straightforward, the specs and all that stuff about the unit. So I'll pop out my notebook again. So I've did 2 reviews so far. I had to write everything down. So this unit is from DYHair777. It is their Burmese curly lace unit. It is in the color 1B and it was 18 inches, but I cut it. I always cut curly hair. One day I'll wear curly hair really long. One day. But today was not that day. This is the medium cap size. The inches of the cap size and all that stuff will be in the description box if you want to compare. I'm normally a medium cap size. Sometimes I'll be a petite, but most of the time I am a medium cap size. There is a code that they gave me. I do not receive any commission off of this code. The code is M10. You will get $10 off of anything over $50 or more on their site. So yeah, save you some coin. I'm saving y'all some coin. Use that coupon code. I'll leave it also in the description box if you want to double check all that stuff. Everything will always be in the description box. I make sure that I fill it with enough information that you might want to know or that you might not be able to remember. So yeah, always open that up and check it out. Came DHL shipping, which is really, really fast. 2 to 4 business days, they say. You can store it in this little tiny bag that they give you. It is reusable, so that's cool. You know, Burmese hair I've always wanted to try, so I wanted to see if it's true what they say about Burmese curly hair. It's really soft and it's very, very lightweight, and so far from me playing around with it, it is super lightweight. Like, I don't feel like I have a wig on. It's so light. It's so light. Oh my goodness, I really, really like it. You get about an inch of parting space right here, but as you can see, you're gonna start to see the tracks. So, you know, it's like you're gonna see the tracks. So again, it has to kind of like do a curved or a middle part, and that's what you're gonna have to do with this unit. Just a heads up to let you guys know. I think overall though, would I purchase this wig myself? Yeah, I would purchase this wig. I would have to go ahead and bleach the knots. So I mean, it doesn't take long. It's not a long process. It takes about 20 minutes to bleach the knots, and you get a really nice looking hairline if you decide to bleach your knots. It's okay. I'll probably do that eventually because I do plan on wearing this wig. I do plan on doing a update, maybe like 2 weeks, on this unit. So don't forget to come back and check that out if you're interested in seeing that. And that's pretty much it for this video. I think I hit all the specs and all that stuff. Don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe down below because I make new videos every single week. Every single week. Like, every single week. Every day? Every day? Yeah, almost every day. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.